Welcome back to the bench, guys. It's currently Saturday. Had some time today, so I've been working on the old Hellcat here. Let's take a look. Coming together fairly well. I did think it was a little dumb that they have you fill these, and I think they're for the rockets, but instead of having you cut them out, because like they have you cut this hole out if you want to do the drop tanks, they have you fill these. But anyway, my mind was thinking, we'll put you over here, about I have a couple of colors. I've got this sea blue by Tamiya, and I have this glossy sea blue by Vallejo, and I was thinking about which one I should do. Oh, sorry guys, let me grab. So, I know a lot of us probably run some tests, so I was seeing which one I should do. Let's see if I can't. Now, this one is the Vallejo. You can tell it's pretty glossy. And this is the Tamiya. It is flat, but they're both a sea blue. The Tamiya one I did over gray and black, and they came out the same. So I don't think you need, I don't think it matters, because it's such a dark blue anyway, you know. Once you get your couple of coats on, it really probably doesn't matter what color you decide to do. And so it got me thinking, you know, how do other people choose your colors? Because this is going to be the Night Fighter variant, and they were painted glossy, and originally I was thinking I was going to do this and do a gloss coat over it, just because I prefer this paint. But this one just kind of has more of that blue that I really like for the for this, you know, specific Hellcat. And then that even got me thinking further. How do you guys decide, you know, which kit you want to do next? For me, generally it depends on kind of what I've been into at the moment. I actually, on Netflix currently, at least in America, they just put the Pacific on Netflix, and I never had actually seen that one. I have seen Band of Brothers multiple times, obviously, but I never seen the Pacific, so I watched it. This was about a month ago, I'll say. And so that kind of got me into, you know, more of the Pacific era of things. You know, I've just done a couple of Japanese kits. I did the Wildcat, and then now I'm working on this. And at work, you know, I do have a lot of time where I can listen to stuff. So I've been listening to some history things about the Pacific. And, you know, that does kind of motivate me also to want to work on stuff. And, you know, I think most of my backlog right now. Let me look. Yeah, I've got 1, 2. Yeah, I've got 2 kits that are, you know, more of a European theater setting. And, then the rest are all Pacific theater. Then I have a couple, you know, modern fighters. But I would say that's how I pick my kits. It's usually what I'm into, what I'm learning about. It's really fun to, you know, start learning about like the Enterprise, and then, you know, you've got this kit that's a night fighter that was equipped with radar. And, you know, the Enterprise was one of the first carriers to be equipped with night fighting capabilities. And so I thought, hey, that'd be cool to actually have a Hellcat like that on the shelf. And then, yeah, let me know, do you guys do swatches, or do you just kind of do the old, look at the bottom? I mean, I guess, obviously I chose this one because it is the glossy one. But, to me, a paint spray so much better. And, nothing a little gloss coat can't do. Yeah, that's that's generally how I think, guys. Let me know what you think in the comments. How do you, pick out your colors, because you could go the full federal standard colors, which is probably the proper way to do it. You can go, the close variant of whatever your favorite paint is. Or, you can even just do like, they tell you medium gray, which I actually, for my engines, I actually really like metallic gray from Tamiya. I think it looks really good. But yeah, how do you guys decide? What's your process of decision making? What keeps you motivated? Let me know in the comments, guys. Hope you're having a great weekend. Looking forward to hearing from you guys. And as always, we'll see you in the next one.